Hey everyone, I'm going to show you guys how to use our new platform today. We are currently at the home screen. I'm going to scroll down and I'll just go to one of the first upcoming auctions. You're going to scroll right here to view auction and bid. I'm already logged in. Prior to this, you'll just go through the terms and conditions and things like that. Let's scroll down. I'll find something to bid on. Let's bid on this desk right here. I'm going to go ahead and click bid $2, and then after you click bid, you're going to have to hit confirm bid. If you want to do a max out bid, you can hit this button right here, create max bid. We'll just go ahead and put $5 in right here, place max bid. Also, if you'd like to save items that you'd like to bid on, you can click it once. If you double click it, since I've already clicked on it once, you can go ahead and set a timer prior to auction ending. That way it can give you a little heads up. I know sometimes we get busy. And then you can go over here to my items. You can see what you have active up here at the top. You can see what your max bid is currently. What you have active. Also, you can go over here and click on this. We should have some more categories coming up soon, but that way you don't have to go through every item. You can come over here to category and you can go through and pick out what exactly it is that you're looking for. And other than that, everything else is pretty simple. Those are just the main basic things to get you through this.